Good day. I'm Engineer Adrian Paul Racoma, graduate of Bachelor of Science in Aeronautical Engineering in National Aviation Academy of the Philippines, or formerly known as Philippine State College of Aeronautics, or PhilSCA. So after my graduation, I started my review journey last year for the upcoming Aeronautical Engineering Licensure Examination 2025, and I took my board exam last December, and surprisingly, I placed rank 4 or top 4 for that board exam. As an Aeronautical Engineering Licensure Examination top-notcher, I see this achievement not just a personal milestone, but as a testament to perseverance, hard work, and sacrifice. And as a licensed aeronautical engineer, I am committed to continuous learning and precision in practice and contributing in our aviation industry. Aeronautical engineering is not my first choice. Honestly, there's other courses that I want to pursue, which is the marine engineering. But yun, winay ko sila, and mas nanaig pa rin yung aeronautical engineering. And time passed by, I was fascinated by how airplanes works and by this aviation industry. Aeronautical engineering course is just a unique course po during college. When I decided to pursue aeronautical engineering, PhilSCA talaga yung top choice ko, since I already knew that it had a strong program when it comes to engineering, and naririnig ko na before pa lang si PhilSCA talaga nagproproduce sila ng mga top-notch engineers, no? And PhilSCA is an institution talaga na nagpro-provide sa free education for everyone. Mga dati ko po klase na no senior high or even mga schoolmates ko nung high school, parang pumapasok na rin sila sa PhilSCA din. Nakakwento nila sa akin before na, ang ganda pala sa PhilSCA, libre, ganun. Tapos ang ganda daw ng uniform. Actually, nung first year college po kasi namin, doon kami parang sumabay yung pandemic. So, first year college po kami is online. Then, parang second year college na po kami nakapag-adjust or nakapag-lipat ng dorm. So, my first adjustment naman po is hindi naman po naging mahirap, since parang before pa lang napunta-punta na rin ako Manila because of my brother, since yung brother ko po is sa PUP. So, parang hindi na rin naging mahirap sa akin yung adjustment when it comes to living in Manila or Pasay. Talagang magkakameron talaga kahit sa ang course, and na-realize ko when I took the aeronautical engineering course na akala ko kasi pag engineering course ka, astig pakinggan eh. And nung nasa course na ako ng aero engineering, ang hirap pala talaga. Lalo na nung second year college namin, dun talaga na-test yung knowledge ko, then yung perseverance ko para mag-take ng aero engineering, since we have this kind of subject na differential equations and thermodynamics na doon talaga kami nagkaubusan. It is full of pressure and doubts po talaga. Actually, my first source of strength when it comes to my college journey is syempre yung family. Aside from my family, of course, there's my friends na talaga nagsha-sharean kami ng mga thoughts namin and ideas na maganda rin kasi sa isang circle of friends na para may ka-share ka na nararamdaman na like, pre, bagsak ka? Oh, bagsak din ako. And aside from my friends and my family, syempre nandiyan yung mga instructors natin na kahit instructor natin sila paglabas ng school or after ng class, pwede mo naman silang i-approach if may mga subjects ka or mga topics ka hindi naiintindihan. They are so approachable naman and friendly, yung mga instructors natin sa INET. Honestly, way back 2023 din po kasi I already manifested na magiging top-notcher ako someday, since year 2023 yun po yung year na nag-o-taking yung brother ko sa PICC. Then I said to him na someday magiging top-notcher ako. Then yun, natupad naman yung manifestation ko 2 years ago na ayan, sa by God's plan, I placed rank 4 for aeronautical engineering licensure examination. And yeah, I think my journey was different talaga, since it is not just about the journey, a typical journey, but also it includes the faith and your perseverance po talaga when it comes to your achieving your goals. Like yesterday, parang nag-scroll ako or nag-ayos ako ng mga files during no first year college ko. And we have this kind of subject na STS. We have this kind of activity. It is called career map. Then, check ko yung career map ko. Then nakalagay, first year college yun is 2021, I think, 2021. Then nakalagay sa career map ko at 2026 magiging top notcher ako. And yun, talagang na-amaze ako dun sa time na yun na noong 2021 pa lang pala talaga na-manifest ko na at year 2026 magiging top notcher. And yun, nandito na tayo sa moment na to. And thank God and sa lahat talaga ng mga support, lalo na sa family and friends and instructors po. I think before I started my review journeys, I think my biggest motivator or my biggest inspiration has been my family talaga. Pine-pressure ko yung sarili ko na kailangan magaling ako sa ganitong gawain, kailangan kong matapos may review session journey. No? Parang laging nire-remind nila sa akin ng family ko na huwag ka ma-pressure na take your time, mahaba pa ang taon, mahaba pa ang months na gugugulin mo for board exam, and constantly remind me na kailangan magpahinga din. So, yung motivation or inspirational message na laging binibigay sa family ko is yun yung nag-push me to keep going even when things got tough. And aside from my family, syempre nandun yung friends. Talagang yung friends, yung circle of friends namin is kami yung magtitake ng board exam, and kami yung nagsishare ng mga feelings namin or yung mga kami nahihirapan ng subjects and all. And yeah, those are people talaga na naging part ng success ko ngayon. About the future aeronautical engineering licensure examination takers and to students who want to pursue the aeronautical engineering, and my advice will be always embrace the journey, not just the goal, and always remember that every struggle has a lesson talaga, and it will help you to become a better person. It will help you to become stronger when it comes to facing challenges and quizzes, major exams. For board exam takers for this year, huwag niyong isipin na sobrang taas ng passing rate ngayon. Iset nyo lang yung goal nyo na magiging engineer kayo someday, and i-enjoy nyo lang yung review journey nyo. And i-feel nyo sa sarili nyo na after months of review, ma-achieve nyo rin someday yung goal nyo, which is maging aeronautical engineer. I would like to thank NAAP since it has become a part of my journey na maging aeronautical engineer ngayon. And thank you sa institution natin ngayon na National Aviation Academy of the Philippines. Thank you for all the learnings, especially sa mga instructors natin and sa mga friends natin. So, thank you sa mga instructors na kahit mahirap sila magbigay na exam para ma-build pa yung sarili natin pagdating sa industry talaga or sa real world. Sa mga ibang departments, sa mga ibang offices, thank you dahil naging part din kayo ng journey na to. And yeah, sa mga other persons involved sa success na to, thank you everyone.